All Business Media presents the Professionals Roundtable. Hear what's hot in the professional world. Timely topics to propel your career to the next level. Professionals Roundtable with Robert Wetham, exclusively on All Business Media.
Hi, everybody. Welcome back to the show. My next guest is based in Seattle, Washington. She's the founder and owner of Allon-Z Coaching. Please welcome to the show, Stella Loichot. Hi, Stella.
Hello. Hi.
How are you doing today?
I'm doing great, thank you. How are you?
I'm doing wonderful. Thank you very much for joining me today. You know, what happens when someone comes to see you or call you?
I'm going to talk for individual clients here. So the very first thing that I do is that I offer a free introductory session to anyone who is interested by the idea of finally controlling their weight without having to work hard for it. So I told you earlier that I only work with people who are ready to change their lifestyle, not just get a meal plan or a gym membership. So during the intro session, which is free, we assess whether or not we are a good fit and whether or not people are ready for that. And after that, they can choose one of my lifestyle change programs, which are a mix of coaching sessions, educational modules, short-term challenges, homework, assessments, tracking, all kinds of resources and tools to allow them to progress step by step toward that sustainable lifestyle. Now, you know, there's some people who are not quite ready to do the deep work yet, but they still want to know what they could change in their current lifestyle to live a healthier life. And for those people, I offer assessments. So it's just 1 or 2 sessions. It's super affordable. And I look at what they're eating and how they're living their life. And then I make recommendations and they go from there. And finally, I offer classes. They can be arranged for groups or for individuals in person or remotely. And the most popular are kitchen pantry makeover class, a grocery shopping tour, and I also have a bread making class.
All right. So what is the best way for people to get in contact with you in case anybody wants more information?
Well, it would be to go on my website, allonzycoaching.com, ALLONSY coaching.com, and there is a contact form there, there's my email address, there's my phone number, and I usually try to be as reactive as possible, so they can just reach out to me through the website. It's the easiest way.
All right, perfect. Stella, thank you very much for coming on the show today.
Well, thank you very much for having me. I really appreciate the opportunity. Thank you.
You got it. This is the Professionals Roundtable, All Business Media FM. Thank you very much for listening. We'll be right back after this.
All Business Media presents the Professionals Roundtable. Hear what's hot in the professional world. Timely topics to propel your career to the next level. Professionals Roundtable with Robert Wetham, exclusively on All Business Media.